2021 is here and welcome to our first video. This video is special for we have collaborated with a local entrepreneur here in Edmonton and his name is Alec Casapao.
Who is Alec Casapao?
So he is the co-founder of Compound Cut Club.
Ain't gonna tear the ass up, simple as that.
And he also has a
New
marketing business, which is Lemino Media. We are going to link all his accounts down below as well.
Here's how we connected with a local entrepreneur and also a well-known young hustler.
So we were reached out by Alec Casapao on Instagram when we actually opened. December 1st, right? Maybe? And what he basically asked us to do is to do his studio for he opened up a new business, which is the Lemino Media. We basically did his studio and hear how it goes.
We started from an empty room. Alec insisted on things he wants, but we added our own touch in it.
So we asked him what he wanted. He wanted a studio space, an office space, and a lounge area. And each angle, he wanted different background. And I hope he liked it.
I really hope he likes it. First time I saw Alec's room, the most exciting part that I saw was the diamond part in the room, because that's one thing that we can highlight and make it unique, because the diamonds itself in the room is already unique. So we just added a cherry on top and made it very Alec.
So based on what he wanted, I made sure that in a tiny space, he can use all three purposes: lounge area, studio, and office area. And I was thinking, how do I divide that into three? First day is consultation, second day is prep day, and third day is actual day. Yeah.
After the consultation is the most exciting part for the two of us. Why? It's because as a couple, we're out in the world looking for stuff that will make the room, our client, make it cohesive.
All right, so for prep day, what we did was we basically made sure we know the budget first. Then we wanted to make sure we work with the budget. We ask as well the clients if they are willing for us to be able to shop in the places that we are thinking of shopping. And then we get approval. And then after that, what we did was we went to the drawing board and made sure that everything that needs to be in the space are bought. And measurements should be done as well. So that's it. Transformation day is basically from morning till afternoon of work of us. It is the day as well of us revealing how the space turned out to be, right? So literally from morning till afternoon, we are working and making sure the whole space is turned into what we envision it and the client envisioned it to be.
There was a lot of things that was going in my mind before the reveal, and I know to you as well, there was a lot in her mind, but quite frankly, for us, for the two of us, we talked about this, we prayed together that whatever the result on whatever Alec will react, we both know to ourselves that we did our best.
I was really scared. We even prayed before because I was just to calm me down. But after I saw Alec's reaction, I was relieved, to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man. Oh this is the room? This is the same room? Is this the same room? Alec Casapao? Bruh. This is too nice to be mine. No, someone's gonna come in here and be like, no way, this is yours. This is so nice, it's probably not gonna stay like this for a while because I'm messy. I like that space, spacious. Can move this, very cozy. Oh man, oh man.
Alec wanted a studio, a lounge area, and an office area in his space. So what we did, first of all, with the lounge was we made sure there's a comfy futon, and then we got a lot of pillows on there too. We incorporated the plug that he has, and we have the curtains. We have two kinds of curtains, the sheer one and then the blackout one. The reason being is because in the morning when it's daylight, it's very bright in here and it gets really, really warm in the space. So what we did is we have a blackout curtains to make sure that we can make the room cooler and not hot. So on this side of the wall, we have his charging station, and we have his car as well, and we have the whiteboard too, because we're basically making sure that this side of the space is for his office and his studio. So we incorporated all the pillows. Every pillow that we have on this futon are all incorporated throughout the room. So we have the leaves all over the room. We have red on Alec's chair, and we have it on the blanket as well. We have the black and the white everywhere, and so is the gray. And we even have the gold legs for the futon. We wanted the lounge area to be cozy and comfy. Alec asks for plants, hanging plants to be specific, and he likes gold, so we incorporated the gold onto the hanging plants. By the way, it's fake because he cannot maintain it. We incorporated this little table as well. That way, whenever he is lounging, he has a space to put maybe his book or his drink onto the table.
We placed Alec's desk in this area specifically as per his request because he will be recording a lot of stuff from this angle, going to this wall, as he's creating a channel for himself. And with this background here, this is my favorite part of the room. And the reason why is because it is a very unique touch that we did in this room. We added this metallic finish that are gold and silver, and depending on what light is outside, what light that he puts in the room, it changes and it has different shadows as well. So it's better in the morning, in fact. And in the back here, to make the space a little bit more cohesive, we already have plants on the other side of the room, and we don't want to put another fake plants on the other side of the room. So what we did was we put decals in here, and also Abby added this touch of gold to again make this space cohesive around the room. It's not just a bunch of green leaves stuck in the wall.